How to remove multiple friends on Snapchat. Delete multiple Snapchat friends. Bulk remove friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove multiple friends on Snapchat. If you have a lot of people added on Snapchat and you want to clean up your friends list, this guide will help you delete multiple Snapchat friends quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once Snapchat opens, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now from here, scroll down and tap on My Friends. This section shows the complete list of all the friends you currently have on Snapchat. To remove a friend, press and hold on the friend's name that you want to delete. A small menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, tap on Manage Friendship. Next, select Remove Friend. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your decision. Simply tap Remove again, and that person will be removed from your Snapchat friends list. Now, if you want to remove multiple friends, you just need to repeat the same process for each friend you want to delete. Currently, Snapchat does not provide an official option to delete all friends at once, but using this method, you can quickly remove multiple friends one by one. Also, remember that when you remove someone from Snapchat, they will no longer be able to see your private stories or send snaps unless they add you again. And that's it. That's how you can remove multiple friends on Snapchat and clean up your friends list easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.